Everywhere and every day we are surrounded by it. Sometimes it is pleasant, but sometimes it is not. One of our earliest sensations, even before we are born, is our mother's heartbeat, which is the backdrop for every perception we have. Some sounds are terrifying. Others not so much. Poetry combines sound and images to create a special effect. Robert Frost said, "I can't make certain sounds go together. Sometimes they won't say. This has got something to do with the way one vowel runs into another, the way one syllable runs into another." In his poem, Nothing Gold Can Stay, Frost makes use of several sound devices. Nature's first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold. Her early leaf's a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf, so Eden sank to grief. So dawn goes down to day, nothing gold can stay. The ending N sounds in dawn and down are examples of consonants. The long E sounds in Eden and grief and the O sounds in only and so are examples of assonants. And alliteration is green, gold, her hardest hue hold, and dawn, down, day. In his tribute to All Things Spotted, Pied Beauty, Gerard Manley Hopkins makes special use of alliteration. Pied Beauty. Glory be to God for dappled things, for skies of couple color as a brinded cow, for rose moles all stippled upon trout that swim, fresh fire-cold chestnut falls, finches' wings, landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow, and plow, and all trades their gear and tackle and trim. All things counter, original, spare, strange, whatever is fickle, freckled, who knows how, with swift, slow, sweet, sour, a dazzle dim, he fathers forth whose beauty is past change. Praise him. Edgar Allan Poe was not only a master of horror, he was also an artist of sound. His famous, or infamous, poem, The Bells, epitomizes the use of onomatopoeia. The first stanza of The Bells is light-hearted and happy. Hear the sledges with the bells, silver bells. What a world of merriment their melody foretells! How they tinkle, tinkle, tinkle in the icy air of night, while the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle with a crystalline delight, keeping time, time, time in a sort of runic rhyme to the tintinnabulation that so musically wells from the bells, 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 from the jingling and the tinkling of the bells. This excerpt from the last stanza of The Bells shows that the mood has changed significantly. Hear the tolling of the bells, iron bells. What a world of solemn thought their monody compels! In the silence of the night, how we shiver with affright at the melancholy menace of their tone. For every sound that floats from the rust within their throats is a groan. Sound is all around us. It helps us interpret our world. It can scare us, please us, annoy us, or sometimes even injure us. But an absence of sound would be terrible.